Capstone Assignment 4: Overpopulation and its effects on land cover. The sheer numbers of humanity are growing significantly with every passing year. As the numbers of humanity increase, so will space they take up on Earth to survive. Humanity has dramatically changed the ecosystem of the Earth's land surfaces. With the expansion of towns and new and bigger cities being built every decade, the productivity of the Earth's ecosystem is bound to change. The United States has already started to show a difference in climate between the daytime when humanity is out and about and nighttime when more people are in their homes asleep. Scientists have found that in humid, more densely populated regions like the eastern United States, daytime and nighttime temperatures have risen higher than less humid and less dense areas. One issue with the growing numbers of humanity is the lessening area of land cover, meaning areas of land covered by plants and trees that are now covered by towns and homes. Plants go through photosynthesis, where they absorb the CO2 as fuel. With the fewer plants to perform photosynthesis and absorb CO2, the growing amount of humanity, therefore, releasing more CO2, there is a mismatch in the balancing act. In 2006, around 80% of land cover was still dominated by grassland and forests in the lower 48 states. The highest concentration of cities and low absorption areas was the Northeast, Southeast, and Midwest. It is reported that in the United States, about 5% of the country's land surface is developed. This number may seem low, but satellites have shown that that number is changing significantly. Between 1973 and 2000, 8.6% of states experienced large increments of land cover changes. These changes specifically happened in Oregon and California. It is projected that land cover changes will increase between 73 and 98% by 2050. There could be many solutions to this growing issue, one being Congress could allocate more protected land. Towns could allocate areas to be developed and provide tax benefits for corporations that take that option. One international hotspot for land cover change is the Mula-Pravara River Basin. This is in Maharashtra state, India. During the time period between 1991 and 2016, the built-up area has increased by 195%. All information regarding land cover change in Maharashtra state, India, is from an article titled Identifying Hotspots in Land Use Cover Change and the Drivers in Semi-Arid Regions of India, in Chapter 10, Changes in Land Use, as well as a website I found called Land Use and Land Cover Change.